everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a little unboxing for you. It's an exciting one. I have always wanted to try one of these. It is the CurrentBody LED Light Therapy Mask Series 2 and it's powered by 236 Veritas LEDs. And this is going to help boost collagen, it's going to help smooth out wrinkles, it's going to brighten skin, plump skin. That's what it says. So I thought we'd do a little bit of an unboxing. I just got it received today. It's come in this box like that. Look at this. Whoa. Doesn't this look amazing? It's got 236 LEDs that emit the 3 most clinically recognized wavelength for anti-aging, penetrating up to 10 millimeters into the skin. It's a silicone, you get a silicone mask like this. And as you can see, this is where the magic happens. This is all your LED lights. And you get a little thing here, you just press the button. And there you go, look at that. You've got red light, 6.3 millimeters, boosts collagen production, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Near infrared, 830 millimeters, energizes cells to firm, tighten and brighten skin. And it's just 10 minutes for firmer, brighter, smoother skin in just 8 weeks. This is chargeable. Turn this off. Wow, and it's a beautiful silicone mask, so it really fits onto the skin nicely, and also with your mouth there. And then you've got a chin piece as well, so it really holds onto the skin very well. So you get a better penetration of light. It comes with these little eye sockets if you want to like read. Then underneath the box here, take this off. Inside here, you've got all your important bits and pieces. You've got a little silky travel bag to carry your CurrentBody away with you on holiday if you want. You get your little CurrentBody guide, your instructions, how to charge this thing here, and your little plug-in bits here. So this is an upgrade from the first one. I haven't tried the first one. And it says the red light therapy mask has extra LED bulbs in it. Improved layout and added chin strap for better full face light coverage. And with new deep near infrared light supercharges results, now even easier and comfortable to use. It's got a clip-on control like this, so you can clip this on. You strap it into here, into the little sides here, so you can clip it onto your head so you can walk around and do what you want to do. You've got the optional eye inserts like this. Then what's really important is that it comes with a Veritas NFC unique card like this. So you can actually scan your CurrentBody mask to actually see you simply tap your phone on the card and the box to see every stage of quality testing that your red light mask has gone through. So it's really very, it's seriously done. You can trace it back to to prove the testing of it. So really, really good. So that is the unboxing of that. And we will go into using it and how to use it in the next video. So I just thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of that and let me know if you're interested to see how this works. Obviously you have to use it for 8 weeks. I will be putting a little discount code in the bottom of the video here, so if you fancy trying it out, you can. But in the meantime, I'm going to be testing this baby out and I'll be back to let you know what I think.